Welcome to the first ever Leyden Township Community Health Fair. I'm Rocco Biscaglio, Township Supervisor, and it has been our vision to make the township a thriving community for all of our residents. In order to achieve this vision, we worked to develop a design for the community that promoted the health and well-being of our residents. To do this, we sought the advice of our consultant who will tell you more about today's event.
Thank you, Supervisor Biscaglio. My name is Michelle Padula, and I'm president of SB Media Consulting. And I gotta tell you, last year when Supervisor Biscaglio approached me about wanting to have a health fair, I thought, what an amazing opportunity to not just bring awareness and showcase all the amazing organizations in the township that support all the components of an individual's health and wellness, but to really foster sustainable connections between the residents and those organizations. We have health and primary care services, behavioral health services, we have health plans here, we even have health and clean food options, as well as driver services and job opportunities. Let's go check some of them out. Thank you both for being here. Bob Tanner, can you tell us a little bit about yourself and Greater Family Health?
Well, sure. I'm Bob Tanner, President and CEO of Greater Family Health, and we are a medical care organization. We provide primary health care, pediatrics, family medicine, internal medicine, and laboratory services, primarily focused on people who might be publicly insured on Medicaid or uninsured. And we have an office right here at Mannheim and Grand Avenue, right across the parking lot from the local Jewel.
And you guys are new in the community, correct?
We are new here in Franklin Park. We opened that location at Grand and Mannheim back in July, but Greater Family Health has been around for 21 years. Last year, we provided care to over 64,000 people by over 200,000 appointments. We got a really good reputation, brand image, and we know how to take care of people well.
Wonderful. And in healthcare, we have a counterpart partner with you from Leyden Family Services, Christine.
Yes, hi, my name is Christy Rocha, and I'm from Leyden Family Service. We're located here in Franklin Park. We also have community mental health. We have senior services. We have a living room. We have an aftercare department for some of the persistently mentally ill people in the community. We help house them with supportive housing. We're here in the community trying to help.
Wonderful. And Bob, can you tell me a little bit about how both of your services integrate together and enhance healthcare?
You know, that's a great question. So organizations working together and being efficient in use of taxpayers' money is really important. So we make referrals back and forth to each other all the time. So for example, one of our patients who's here for pediatrics or family medicine may need some services that we don't offer, but Leyden Family Services does. And similarly, they may refer people that need medical care back over to us. So we're in close proximity to each other. We have a strong working relationship amongst the leadership of the two organizations, really bring some good continuity and integration of care to the local community.
It's going great.
Did you find everything you needed?
Yeah, I did. I found more than I even knew existed, and I learned a lot about things I had no idea were available. And if not for me, for my neighbors or people that I know that could benefit from some of these things that I've learned. So it's been great. Thank you for bringing all these folks together. Super knowledge learning for me.
And I have Duke with us from International Pure Water. Now, Duke, tell me a little bit more about it. I hear all this stuff in the news about lead in the water pipes. I mean, we live by Lake Michigan. I mean, isn't that the best water in the world?
Well, you'd think that it'd be the best water in the world. The problem is that the pipes are old, and there's a lot of lead for years and years, and a lot of the service that went through them. So what International Pure Water is doing is just taking the water that's coming from the lead pipes. Some have lead, some don't, but we're purifying it no matter what it is. So our proprietary system removes lead, forever chemicals, every impurity that you could get. Yes, Lake Michigan has great water, but it's loaded with forever chemicals.
And how do we get one of your water filters?
So you can go to internationalpurewater.com and you can register, or you can register here today at the health fair. But internationalpurewater.com, click on My Community, or if your community's not listed, go to Other, and you register, and we'll go to your mayor and say, we had this patient came in that wanted this water filter, and they deserve clean water for everyone.
Wow. And that's just some of the ways we've been making impact in the community through strategic partnerships. Let's take a look at some of the others. Hi, Dr. Mehta. We're so glad to have you here. Now, you're a local dentist in town.
Yes, we are located right in the Leyden Township in the town of North Lake.
And you're going to be presenting today. Can you tell us a little bit about what you're presenting?
Yes, we are going to be just presenting everything about like overall dental hygiene, like what's important, how to keep it clean, what foods to eat, and what we can take in a day in, day out basis that it can help us maintain our teeth.
If there was one thing you were going to tell people on the best thing you could do for dental hygiene, what would it be?
I would just say it's as simple as that. Just make sure you're brushing and flossing and you'll be just fine.
So I have Jamie Lacerdo, Township Clerk, with me to talk a little bit about the senior services at the Township. Jamie, tell me a little bit more about all the programs you offer for seniors.
We have a bunch of services. We have our handyman service, which will come out and do all minor repairs, leaky faucets, things like that. You'll call the township to schedule an appointment. We have our ice cream social we have for the seniors. They have entertainment, all kind of fun things. We also have our movie day every Thursday. It starts at 12 o'clock at our senior center.
And if people want to access these services, what do? They just call you?
Yes, call the township. You call 847-455-8616, extension 5119.
And tell me a little bit about the food pantry. So you have a lot of gardening items out here. So as people are getting ready to garden and do their harvest, we all overgrow things. So what is the program like at the township with regards to collecting overage from residents' gardens?
Yes, we collect anything at the township from Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. You come to the township, drop off any type of cereal, shampoo, conditioner, all that type of things for the township.
And the food pantry is located within the town hall, correct?
Yes, correct. Yes, it's at 2501 North Mannheim.
This is Edward, who's a Veterans Affairs Liaison for Leyden Township. He's a retired veteran. Let's hear what he has to say.
Yes, good afternoon. I'm very proud and excited to be here and be part of the team for Leyden Township. I grew up in Chicago, joined the Marine Corps out of Chicago, recruited in Winston Plaza, so River Grove, Melrose Park, Schiller Park. I'm quite familiar with the area, and I feel like I'm blessed to come right back full circle to keep serving those that served as well. Because believe it or not, sometimes dealing with the U.S. government, it's hard to get information. So I want to be the point of contact to send people to the right place so they're not just fishing around.
And tell us more about what the liaison does. So what are the services you're specifically connecting veterans to?
Anything from healthcare to burial benefits, not only for the veteran, but also for their family members. Because the family members also rate certain benefits that they may not even be aware of.
I hope you enjoyed your experience today and join us at some of our many other community events throughout the year. To learn more about our events and services, check out our website at www.leydentownship.com.